In the name of camaraderie, airmen from Shepherd Air Force Base and others from the central U.S. came to Wichita Falls to play a little softball. Aaron Gonders went to the Wichita Falls Sports Complex to check out the last day of their tournament.
They bond over being in the ammo field of the U.S. Air Force, but when they get out on a softball field, it's time to play to win. The 16th Central Ammo Bowl brings ammo units from as far away as Minot, North Dakota for a weekend of bonding and playing softball. But in a field that can send someone halfway across the globe from their home, tournament director Casey Hearns says reconnecting is what the Ammo Bowl is all about.
So sometimes we haven't seen these folks for sometimes 20 years. We're stationed with each other, then we retire. We just kind of go our own separate ways. We get families, but when they all come back and we kind of reconnect with that family dynamic, that's special.
Hearns started the Central Ammo Bowl during his time at Shepherd Air Force Base, and now is a way for airmen still in active duty or retired to meet and bond over shared experiences. Manager of one of the teams of retired airmen, Jake Taylor, loves the chance to meet with the teams still on active duty every year.
We'll do whatever active duty wants to do because this tournament is for them. We're just here to support and, hang out and have a good time and hopefully pass on some knowledge for some old guys.
The shared experiences help each person at the Ammo Bowl to bond with one another, which is what makes the tournament special. When airmen like John Stonick can come from Minot, North Dakota to Wichita Falls, Texas and reconnect with someone from Barksdale, Louisiana, those interactions make the Ammo Bowl what it is.
We all have the same job and we all have the same goal, and that's to protect the United States, right? If we serve our country, why not have some fun while we do it, right? And get to represent the United States Air Force in a great way.
After Labor Day weekend, the next time many of these active and retired airmen will likely all meet again will be at next year's Central Ammo Bowl. Aaron Gonders, KFDX 3 News.